hearts burning like they were on fire. Flames changing our love to desire. Babe, my heart is screaming to say, girl.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I should not be asking you this question. Are you excited? Rather, I should ask you, are you tired? Okay, that's much better. Ladies and gentlemen, it's great to see all you lovely people gathered here. So, and today we are here to celebrate the second day of Ian and Rachel. As Ian's family comes to Rachel's house, we are happy to welcome them all. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a loud welcome, a welcome with some music. Let's pour out our love, let's shout out our blessings to this lovely couple and the family. Here we go. Come on people, shout it with your love, your blessings, your prayers, your smiles, and of course, the bounty. Well, people, everybody will agree to me when I say we enjoyed yesterday, didn't we? Yes or no? Yes, we enjoyed. And we are here today also to enjoy the second day. And we have a beautiful cake, ladies and gentlemen, all set up, ready to be cut. But I need your help to do this. Pakatum so others hai. Amka no devando to red roadsla. Tatlo ani five roads there. Sarke? Daughter? So yes, God has created us men and women. And today I want to begin the countdown in a similar fashion. All the ladies, I want you to begin the countdown with 10. And the men will follow and say 9. And the ladies will say 8 again. Are you with me? Yes. Yes. So, let's begin the countdown. All the ladies. Here we go.
Congratulations and celebrations. When I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness had been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart.
Bye. How long are you? Maka tuga kimle party budas korun portal tu ata kachar zana. Okay. So itish nami kena nesta mi hoita jale ke kawile. When you married, there's a different way of doing it. I missed it yesterday, so I want to do it again today. I don't know. So what you did? Funny story. Let's keep it for some other day. Okay. So here, you know what to do. Cutting a piece of cake. Even the smaller the better. Okay. So yes, cutting a small piece of cake and. Wow. Okay. So here you can keep it in between your lips and you know, here they say when the wife holds the knife, you need to keep quiet. Yes. And now you can keep it in between your lips. Puja whatever. And Rachel, you can take the piece from him, of course, without using your hands. And people will give them a countdown. Come on. So 1, 2, and 3. Come on. Let's give them a clap. Come on, everybody. and Rachel will keep was sweeter this time. Was she thought a little more loud. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you know, an occasion like this always calls for the popping of the champagne. And today we have a beautiful bottle of champagne and somebody equally handsome who's going to pop the champagne for us. Ladies and gentlemen, it's none other than the father of the bride. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Verem Reis Magos. One time, talis only. So, अगले अंकलला चाहिए, डिपार्टमेंट चाहिए. दोघांचं प्रेशर तुम्ही वाढवले. So, let's see, Uncle Johnny met me or Mr. John here. We'll give you a countdown. You want a countdown? Yes. Yes. Okay. The bottle's all bubbly and almost ready to be popped. And it's yes, up to the roof and goes up to the crowd. That was a great pop, Mr. Raymond. Montana thought you should left much loud only. Pop much loud. Come on, a little louder, ladies and gentlemen. This time गोंयांत खंयचेच फंक्शन आसलें जाल्यार आमी सदांच सावूत उबारता and Goa, you know, is filled with traditions, and this is one beautiful tradition which we as Goans have followed in everything that we celebrate. Today, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to welcome the toast mistress, I would say, who is going to raise the toast for this lovely couple here. She is very close to the bride. She is the cousin of the bride, and she has known Rachel from a very young age. Right from the nappy years right up to all the happy years. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome Cynthia Reis Fernandez. Can you have a loud round of applause, everybody?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and to our wonderful couple, Rachel and Ian. It's a privilege and honor to raise the toast of this wonderful couple. We all have been waiting for this day. After a year-long preparation, finally you both walked the aisles yesterday at St. Andrew's Church and said, yes, I do to each other. Marriage is a bed of roses, that's true. But along with that, there are thorns as well. It takes a lot of love, understanding, sacrifices, trust, and respect for each other and your families. Although I have met Ian just once before the marriage, and I've known you for a very short time, but my first impression is you are the right person for Rachel. Have noticed yesterday how well you took care of everyone. Rachel is very lucky to have you as her life partner. But I would say more luckier is you to have Rachel as your partner because she's the gem of our family. I have seen Rachel grow from the very first day. I was at the hospital when she was born. I still remember the excitement both parents had, especially Raymond uncle, had in his voice when he came to know that it was a girl, our princess. Rachel is a very calm girl with a beautiful heart. She's a person who puts family and her loved ones before herself. I have witnessed that on several occasions. Especially when we were in Mumbai last year and we got a chance to do shopping. I saw her purchase for her siblings her mama, dada, but she didn't purchase anything for herself. That shows how much she cares about her family. I asked her, why tuka kain gainai? And she just smiled. And I could see that in the happiness in her eyes as well as in her smile. I was touched and said to myself, these are the values and qualities that she inherits from her parents. Rachel, I know without a doubt, you will carry the same values to your new family. Ian, her parents have raised her as a princess, and now she is yours. I just want to make you alert of one thing. In case your mother-in-law has not yet told you. Bye, Sanu. Ian मातसो जेता आसतना तुजें नुस्तें लिपोवन दवर. कित्याक तें नुस्तें म्हणल्यार सारकें पिशें. ल्हान आसतना आमी नुस्तें शिता पोंदाक घालून दवरतालीं. कित्याक तेका नुस्तें दिसलें म्हणटच तें आमचेंय नुस्तें खातालें आनी आमकां कांय दिनासलें. आनीकूय जायतें आहा सांगपाक, पूण तें मागीर धरया. So, not to take anyone's time, let's make it simple and short. सगळ्यांताय मागता तुमचे ग्लास उबारून, कोणाताय ग्लास ना ते आपलो उजो हात उबारात आनी आमी तांचेर आशिर्वाद घालुया. देवाक तांच्या मोदें दवरून, may I request everyone to raise your right hand please. देवाक तांच्या मोदें दवरून ताणेन घडलोलो नवो गोराबो एक कुशलकायेचो, मोगाचो, विस्वाशीपणाचो आनी एकामेकाक रेस्पेद दिता तसलो जावन आमचे सगळ्यांचे आवडे. इतल्यान साऊथ कबार करता म्हणून विवा. सगळीं म्हाज्या बरोबर म्हणुया, विवा रे विवा, विवा रे विवा, विवा मारुया आनी रेचलाची आनी यानाची साऊथ करूया. विवा रे विवा, विवा रे विवा, विवा.
That was a great toast, ladies and gentlemen. Please give it a loud round of applause. Give it up for Cynthia. Cynthia, you don't need to worry about the fish. We have a lot of pasta, so you're gonna have a great job. And thank you for telling us a little more about Rachel. And we know that you love her a lot. So thank you for the sweet words. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us here at the cake table. Before you move, I want the couple to say a few words to all you lovely people gathered here.
On behalf of my husband and our families, I would like to thank each and everyone for coming over here. In a very special way, I would like to thank our family members, my cousins, his cousins, relatives, friends, neighbors for being a great help to make this day a memorable one for us. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, people, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're going to have some music, some dancing, okay? So I don't want you to be boring, people. Let's grab onto a partner and join us in this lovely march that we're going to have. Thank you so much. Come on, people, let's not remain seated. Chalo, let's dance.
Georgia, wrap me up in all I want you. In my arms, oh, let me hold you. I'll never let you go again like I did. Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. Georgia pulled me in, I asked to love her. Once again you fell, I caught ya. I'll never let you go again like I did. Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you.
That was magical, that was beautiful indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, a loud round of applause for this couple. Well, people, you all can engage with your partners now and you all can join us in some more music. Please remain on the dance floor. Let's enjoy the time that we had.
Every time our eyes meet, this feeling inside me is almost more than I can take. Baby, when you touch me, I can feel how much you love me, and it just blows me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear your thoughts, I can see your dreams. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. The smell of your skin, the taste of your kiss, the way you whisper in the dark, your hair all around me, baby, you surround me, you touch every place in my heart. Oh, it feels like the first time, every time. I wanna spend the whole night
Well, that was beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. We have DJ Lawrence also.
माझ्या गोरा समकार तुझे गोड सकाळी उठून तुझे काकानो दोर माझे घर तुझ्या गोराक ते गोडवोर केन्नाय दिवशी काजाराचे उतर यो मोगा दावन पांच मोरे देवन आनी कोण पळेना काय बोल मोग कसलो
That was great dancing, lovely people. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a short break now, requesting you.
पाकटे तोर असले म्हाका उडोन तुजेशी येवपाचो सोदून काडून तुका म्हज्या कोपान घेवपाचो रानान पासून आसले तोर तुजेशी हांव रावपाचो जेवूंक पासून नासल्या पालो खावपाचो कितलो सिटीर जालो doshi patle tsukle nirmol kalis moje le zai dukle so sara tanik na kor tu so bit ekle kena suka de gongna forgot sopna na me dekle Lolo astana oja pie gole osle Solomon de kokna subi cherum tosle morbar tan de wona yevu kushikte moja posle ekes korik moje Kalis mogan lasle Kawazak moja moga to Uzodane petoilo Sogli rato pulo Aploi moga petoilo Kiske o kawetalo Mair moje maga utoilo
Hearts burning like they were on fire. Flames changing our love to desire. Babe, my heart is screaming to say, girl, we got to go all the way. I need more of you, changing my rain into sun. More of you, putting my blues on the run. I need more of you, darling, I need more of you. More, anything less wouldn't do. Ain't been together too long. Strange, how did our love get so strong? There's nothing to keep us apart. We got to catch up to our heart.